In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic 2 Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve Punjab University test MCQs, that is, if one of the cube root of z is 2, then the other two roots are solution, that is, if one of the cube roots of z is 2, then the other two cube roots are 2 omega and 2 omega square. So value of omega is equal to -1 plus square root of 3 iota divided by 2. So multiplying and dividing by 2, that is equal to -1 plus under root of 3 iota. Similarly, omega square is equal to -1 minus square root of 3 iota divided by 2. So multiplying and dividing by 2, so to cancel, which is equal to -1 minus square root of 3 iota. So option A is correct. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.